Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived on a 2-day visit to Gujarat today. During his visit, the Prime Minister offered prayers and performed aarti at the most revered Amba goddess temple at Ambaji in Banashkantha. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar today met with the families of the 8 Indians detained in Qatar. At least 11 people died and around 50 injured after 2 trains collided in Vizianagaram district of Andhra Pradesh yesterday evening. Assam government is all set to give a major infrastructural boost in the education sector. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, in a social media post, informed that 4,000 state-of-the-art schools will be constructed in the state by 2028. In ICC Men's Cricket World Cup, India crushed England by 100 runs at Ikana Stadium in Lucknow yesterday evening to win the 6th consecutive match.